Hello, good evening students. Today I will start river boat problem. This is again a concept of relative velocity. Again a concept of relative velocity. Myself Kanhaiya Jha and my channel Kanhaiya Physics. You can like, subscribe and share. If you really like the video, then only like it. So let us understand the river boat problem. This type of problem you are facing in mathematics also, but let us understand here that how we will solve this. Let's say that this is our favorite Bahubali. This is our favorite Bahubali, and Bahubali is going velocity of swimmer, velocity of s with respect to river means velocity of swimmer with respect to river. With respect to river. So VSR means velocity of swimmer with respect to river, or velocity of swimmer with respect to river is how much? 4 km per hour. This they have given. This data is given in the question, and they have also given that velocity of river. What is this? This is velocity of river. VR means velocity of river. In the question they have given velocity of river is 3 km per hour, and the width of the river they have also given that 16 km. And then they are asking some question, and they are asking the question that find, write the question, find time taken to cross river. To cross river. See, Bahubali is going like this. So how much time he will take to cross the river? That is from this point to this point. Let's say this point is A. Let's say this point is A. Let's say this point is B. So how much time he will take to cross the river? So what they have given? They have given us, see the solution. They have given us velocity of swimmer with respect to river. How much? How much is the velocity of swimmer with respect to river? 4 km per hour. If I will use the concept of relative velocity, can we say that this is velocity of swimmer minus velocity of river? Velocity of A with respect to B is equal to VA minus VB. Like that, velocity of swimmer with respect to river is velocity of swimmer minus velocity of river. And suppose that on the ground someone is standing. Let's say who is standing? Chetna is standing. Chetna is standing and she is observing all the things. So always frame of reference we will take as ground. From the ground we will observe everything, because ground is at rest now. That's why our frame of reference will be always ground. Our frame of reference will be always ground. So write it, always solve from ground frame. Always solve from ground frame. So always solve this type of question from ground frame. Why? Because our ground is at rest. This is known as inertial frame actually. So velocity of swimmer with respect to ground, everything we are observing from ground, so we will write ground. So Chetna is observing. When Chetna is observing Bahubali, so Chetna is where? Chetna is on ground. So velocity of swimmer as observed by ground. What is this? VSG means velocity of swimmer as seen by ground. तो ग्राउंड से कौन देख रही है? चेतना. तो जब वो बाहुबली को देखेगी तो वो क्या बोलेगी? अभी देखते हैं क्या बोलेगी. What is velocity of swimmer with respect to river? Velocity of swimmer with respect to river is how much? 4j cap. How much? 4j cap. Because Bahubali is going in plus y direction now. So this will be 4j cap. This thing we know. वेलोसिटी ऑफ स्विमर विद रिस्पेक्ट टू ग्राउंड मुझे पता है नहीं, क्योंकि चेतना को तो नहीं पता है ना कि स्विमर का वेलोसिटी कितना है ग्राउंड के रिस्पेक्ट में. व्हाट इज दिस? VSG में वेलोसिटी ऑफ स्विमर एज ऑब्जर्व्ड बाय ग्राउंड. और ग्राउंड पे कौन खड़ी है? ऑन द ग्राउंड चेतना इज स्टैंडिंग. सो व्हाट चेतना विल से? वेट, राइट नाउ वी डोंट नो, सो लेट्स कैलकुलेट. व्हाट इज वेलोसिटी ऑफ रिवर विद रिस्पेक्ट टू ग्राउंड? रिवर इज फ्लोइंग with a speed of 3 km per hour with respect to ground. This is actually velocity of device with respect to ground. This is how much? 3. अच्छा, plus I cap or minus I cap? Plus I cap ना, device is going in this direction. So this will be minus into plus will be minus. So can we write this velocity of swimmer with respect to ground is equal to, see this thing, velocity of swimmer with respect to ground is equal to 4j cap plus 3I cap. 4j cap plus 3I cap. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? इसका मतलब वेलोसिटी ऑफ स्विमर एज ऑब्जर्व्ड बाय ग्राउंड, वेलोसिटी ऑफ स्विमर एज सीन बाय ग्राउंड फ्रेम ऑफ रेफरेंस. तो ग्राउंड पे कौन खड़ी है? चेतना. तो चेतना क्या बोलेगी कि बाहुबली 4j कैप में तो जा रहा है, जो इसका स्पीड था किसमें? वाई डायरेक्शन में कितना था? 4j कैप. 4j कैप में तो जा रहा है, मतलब वाई डायरेक्शन में कितना वेलोसिटी से जा रहा है? बाहुबली इज गोइंग विद ए वेलोसिटी ऑफ 4 किलोमीटर पर आवर इन वाई डायरेक्शन प्लस वाई डायरेक्शन. व्हाट चेतना विल से दैट बाहुबली इज गोइंग विद ए स्पीड ऑफ 4 किलोमीटर पर आवर इन प्लस वाई डायरेक्शन एज वेल एज Bahubali is going with 3 km per hour in plus x direction. Why? Because river will also support. Now, if suppose you want to go like this and river is pushing you, river is also flowing, so you will go like this. Now, अब ऊपर भी जा रहे हैं and you are going like this also. Because Bahubali is going in this direction with a speed of 4 km per hour in y direction, as well as river is pushing them with a speed of 3 km per hour. So Bahubali will go like this. Ting. Right? So Bahubali will go like this. Bahubali will go like this. Let's say that Bahubali will reach at this point. क्या Bahubali यहाँ पे आएगा? No. Bahubali will not go at point B. Why? Because when Bahubali is trying to go at point B, Bahubali is trying his best to go at point B, but river is also pushing Bahubali now, and river is flowing in this direction. So river will push Bahubali. So Bahubali will come at some point C. Now what they have asked that find time. What they have asked? Find time taken to cross river. So let's see how we will find the time. So see, if I will solve the question. So time is what? Time is equal to distance by speed. So Bahubali is going in y direction. So we have to take speed in y direction. Speed in SY means we have to take speed in y direction because he is going in y direction. What is the distance in y direction? 16 km. This is given. 16 km is the width of river. What is speed in y direction? See, speed in y direction is how much? J cap. J cap means y direction. Na? So speed in y direction is 4. So 4 km per hour. So time will be how much? 4 hours. Time will be how much? 4 hours. So in 4 hour time, in how much time? In 4 hour time, Bahubali will cross the river. We have to take velocity in y direction. We have to take velocity in y direction. Because Bahubali is going in which direction? In y direction. And you have to take distance is also of y direction. So width of the river is how much? 16 km. So the answer will be how much? 4 hours. But the question is not finished. First react up to this. Then I will take the second part of the question. Okay. Okay. Check the question. That second question in same, at what point on opposite bank Bahubali will arrive? What does it mean? They are asking about drift. Drift means horizontal displacement covered by Bahubali. Gift means horizontal distance covered by Bahubali. तो एक्चुअली वो पूछ रहा है कि now we know that Levi will push them. Bahubali want to come at point B, but he will not come at point B because Levi is pushing them constantly. तो वो कहीं जाके तो रुकेगा. Bahubali will surely go at some point. So they are asking what will be the distance BC. You have to find what is the distance BC. And this BC distance is known as depth. This is known as depth. Depth means horizontal distance. Horizontal distance. Horizontal distance covered by Bahubali. Can you calculate BC? See how we will calculate BC. Depth means distance covered in horizontal distance means x direction. Horizontal distance means distance in x direction. Can we calculate? Distance is equal to what? We know distance is equal to speed into time. Speed into time. So which direction speed we have to take? X or y? Since they are going in x, so this velocity of swimmer as seen by ground you have written. Velocity of swimmer as seen by ground was how much? 4j cap plus 3I cap. This was now. चेतना क्या बोली थी? When Chetna will observe Bahubali, she will say that Bahubali is going with a speed of 4 km per hour in plus y direction and 3 km per hour in plus x direction because Levi is also flowing now. We have to take a speed in x direction. I cap means x direction and what is the magnitude of the speed? 3 into what is the time? Time I have calculated in my previous question. How much hours they are taking? 4 hours. How much hour? In the first question I have obtained this. So this will be, oh sorry. Speed is how much? 3. See this thing. Speed is how much? 3 km per hour into time is how much? 4 hours. So hour cancel. 3 into 4 will be how much? 12 km. So how much distance is this? This depth is how much? This depth is 12 km. तो बाहुबली कितना आगे चला गया होगा? From point B, he will go 12 km ahead. So at what point on the opposite bank Bahubali will arrive? 12 km from point B. He will arrive 12 km from point B. Clear? Clear? Now there is a third question in the same. Okay. And the third question is that find total distance covered by Bahubali. How much is the total distance covered by Bahubali? तो एक्चुअली बाहुबली कहाँ जा रहा है? A to B थोड़ी कर रहा है. Bahubali is actually not going from A to B. He is going from A to C. His actual path is like this. Because when he wants to go like this, but Levi is pushing them now, so he will go like this. So AC is actual distance. That means what we have to find? We have to find distance of AC. What we have to find? Distance of AC. Can we find distance of AC? Which theorem? Pythagoras theorem. So can we write AC का square is equal to AB का square plus BC का square? अरे hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. So AC का square is equal to AB is how much? AB is 16. So 16 का square plus BC is how much? 12. So 12 का square. So AC square will be equal to 16 का square. How much? 16 का square. If you will solve this thing now, so AC will be what? AC will be equal to square root of 16 ka square plus 12 ka square, and you can solve this thing. Solve it. That much kilometer will be the answer. That much kilometer will be the answer. You all know how to solve. Okay. Now we will take the next question. Now next question I will do fastly. So that next question. So the next question is like this. That this is the river. This is the river and the width of the river is 30 kilometers. This width is 30 kilometers and now Bahubali will go like this. Bahubali will go like this. And velocity of swimmer with respect to river. Velocity of swimmer with respect to river. This data is given as 10 km per hour. 10 km per hour. And this angle theta is 37 degree. This theta is how much? 37 degree. This is given in the question. Again, velocity of river, they will give you velocity of river. They will give you how much? 8 km per hour. This is 8 km per hour. That means river is flowing in this direction with a speed of 8 km per hour. Your question is that first question, find time. Find time taken to cross river. Find time taken to cross river. How much time Bahubali will require to cross river? And Bahubali is swimming in this direction. Right now Bahubali is swimming in this direction. So how much time Bahubali will take? So now we have to take components now. Because this velocity is neither in x nor in y. So we will take component. So this velocity is making angle with x. This velocity is making angle with x. So this will be cos. I am doing this one. So this will be cos. So this will be how much? 10 cos 37. V cos 37. And this will be what? 10 sin 37. Y will be 10 sin 37. Is it? जिसके साथ 10 sin 37. मैंने क्या बोला था? जिसके साथ एंगल बनाएगा. Here velocity vector is making angle with x. So x will be cos and the other will be sin. So can we write that actually velocity of swimmer with respect to river is like this? Okay. 10 cos 37 will be how much? 37 degree का एंगल मैंने आप लोगों को बताया. बाकी 37 degree एंगल. If this is equal to 37 degree, so this will be 5, this will be 3, this will be 4. So cos 37 will be how much? Cos 37 is equal to b by h. So this will be 3 by 4. So this will be 10 into 3 by 4. Oh, right now? No. Cos 37 is base. Oh, base is 4. Sorry. Base is 4 and hypotenuse is 5. So this will be 4 by 5. So this will be 10 into cos 37 is how much? 4 by 5. So this will be equal to 5 to the 10 and this will be 8 km per hour. And if you will calculate this thing 10 into sin 37. Calculate sin 37 from here. So sin 37 is perpendicular by hypotenuse. Perpendicular is 3. Hypotenuse is 5. So this will be 3 by 5. So this will be equal to 5 to the 10. This will be 6 km per hour. Now see this thing. This is important. Velocity in x direction is how much? 8 km per hour. Actually this is with minus x, no? Velocity of Bahubali in minus x direction is 8 km per hour. And velocity of river is also 8 km per hour. So velocity of river, see, velocity of river in plus x is how much? 8 km per hour. And velocity of Bahubali in minus x is how much? Minus 8 km per hour. Try to understand this. Velocity of river in plus x is plus 8 km per hour and velocity of Bahubali in minus x is minus 8 km per hour. So this plus 8 will cancel minus 8. For example, suppose that on this, if I will apply 5 Newton in this direction and 5 Newton in this direction, so the net effect will be cancelled. Right? So a net effect will be cancelled. So there will be no any displacement in x. What I say, there is no any displacement in x. तो कोई अगर यहाँ पे देख खड़ा होके, let's say again चेतना is here and चेतना is standing on ground, तो चेतना क्या बोलेगी? When चेतना will observe Bahubali, she will say that x direction component is cancelling each other. So there will be no any displacement in x. So there will be only displacement in y. So velocity of swimmer as seen by ground, velocity of swimmer as observed by ground. तो ये चेतना क्या बोलेगी? बाहुबली is actually only going in y direction with a speed of how much? 6 km per hour, and in y direction, so this will be 6j cap. So now we know, and there will be any displacement in x? No, because 8 km in this direction minus x and 8 km per hour in plus x, both will cancel each other. So now can we find time? Time is how much? Distance by time is equal to distance by speed in y direction. How much is the distance? Distance is how much? 30 kilometer. Width of the river. And what is speed in y direction? 6. So how much time they will take? 5 hours. 5 hours. This is 6 km per hour. So kilometer will be cancelled. Time will be how much? 5 hours. So how much time Bahubali will take to cross the river? 5 hours. The second question, if they will ask you, find. First question answer will be 5 hours. Now see the second question. This was 10 into 4 equal 8 km per hour. Second question is find drift. Find drift. And you know what is drift? There will be any drift in x direction? No, because in x direction 8 and 8 will cancel. So there will be no any drift in x. So drift will be how much? 0. At the third question. Actual distance covered. Actual distance covered by Bahubali. What will be the answer? Tell me fastly. Bahubali will neither going plus x nor going minus x. So actually he is going like this now. So how much distance he is going? 30 km. So actual distance covered by Bahubali will be how much? 30 km. Clear? Clear? Okay. Okay, now I am taking a question of H.C. Verma book. You know H.C. Verma is one of the famous book of physics. Which book I am talking? I am talking about a book H.C. Verma. He is one of the famous writer and the best selling book of physics in India. Actually, I am not doing any advertisement of H.C. Verma. But the actual thing is that this is very best book of physics. Any real physics teacher will advise you to buy this. So now I will take a question from H.C. Verma. Write the question. Write question. A man can swim at a speed of 3 km per hour in still water. In still water. He wants to cross a 500 meter wide river flowing at a speed of 2 km per hour. He keeps himself at an angle 120 degree with the river. With the river flow while swimming. While swimming. At the first question, find time taken to cross river. And the second question, at what point on opposite bank he will arrive. Okay, try to solve this question. What is the question? Try to understand it. Should I give homework? No, I am solving. Understand, there is a river. There is a river. And in this river, a man can swim at a speed of 3 km per hour. In a still water, he wants to cross a 500 meter wide river flowing at a speed of, this is the speed of river. This is what? Speed of river. So velocity of river is given. How much is the velocity of river? 2 km per hour. River is how much wide? 1500 meter wide river. So this is 1500 meter wide. And a man can swim at a speed of 3 km per hour at an angle. How much is the angle given? 120 with the river flow. So river is flowing in this direction. River is flowing in this direction. And with the river flow, this man is making an angle. With the river flow, this man is making an angle how much? 120 degree. So like this man is actually, like this man is going in this direction. Clear? This angle is how much? Man is making how much angle? 120 degree. See this angle? This angle is how much? 120 degree angle this is making. Clear? Okay. So this is the situation. If suppose I am making this figure again. If suppose this is our river and if this angle is 130, I am doing a construction. So this angle is 120 now. This angle is how much? At an angle of 120. So this angle will be how much? 90. I have made it vertical. So if this angle will be 90, so this angle will be how much? 30. This angle will be 30 degree. 90 plus 30 will be 120. So this whole angle is 120. They are saying that this man is making 120 degree angle with the flow of the river. First question is find time taken to cross the river. Can you keep the component? This man is moving with how much speed? Swimming is with a speed of 3 km per hour. So what will be the component? Can you take the component? This angle, this velocity is making, velocity is how much? 3 km per hour. This velocity vector is making angle with y. This velocity vector is making angle with y. So y will be cos. जिसके साथ एंगल बनाएगा वो cos. तो velocity in y will be how much? 3 cos 30. कितना एंगल बना है? 30 डिग्री का. So vy will be 3 cos 30. vx will be what? 3 sin 30. 3 sin 30. 3 cos 30. What will be the value of cos 30? Root 3 by 2. So this will be 3 root 3 by 2. And what is the value of 3 sin 30? 3 into 1 by 2. Okay. First question is find time taken to cross the river. So time is how much? Distance by speed in y direction. How much is the distance? 500 meter. So 500 meter can we write? 500 meter is equal to 1 by 2 kilometer. You all know, na? 500 meter is equal to 1 by 2 kilometer. So distance is 1 by 2 kilometer. And what is the speed? 1 by 2 kilometer. And what is the speed in y direction? 3 root 3 by 2. So this is 3 root 3 by 2. So if you will solve, how we will solve this? 1 by 2 and this 2 will go up and 3 root 3 will be here. So 2 and 2 will be cancelled. So this will be what? 1 by 3 root 3. How much time it will take? 1 by 3 root 3 hours. How much time it will take to cross the river? 1 by 3 root 3. See the second question. The second question is at what point on opposite bank he will arrive. Can I rub this one? At what point on the opposite bank will he arrive? That means they are interested about the depth, no? They are interested about the depth. If I will solve the second question, depth means in x direction, so distance is equal to speed into time. But speed in x direction, speed in x. So what is speed in x? See, net speed in x we have to take. Here, velocity of river is how much? 2 km per hour. And velocity of main in x is how much? 3 by 2. How much? 3 by 2 km per hour. So this is in minus x and this is plus x. So net velocity will be how much? 2 minus 3 by 2. And 2 minus 3 by 2 means LCM will be 2. So this will be 4 minus 3. So this is 1 by 2. So net speed will be in plus x with a speed of 1 by 2. Net speed will be how much? 2 km per hour in this direction, 3 by 2 in this direction. Right? So 2 minus 3 by 2. 3 by 2 means what? 3 by 2 means 1.5 km per hour. No? So in this direction, river is flowing with 2 km per hour, and in this direction, main is going with 1.5. So 2 minus 1.5. How much? 0.5. That means how much? 1 by 2. So speed in x direction is how much? 1 by 2 into. How much time this is taking? Time in the previous question I have already calculated. How much time? 1 by 3 root 3. That answer is 1 by 3 root 3. So time, distance will be how much? 1 by 6 root 3. That means depth will be how much? 1 by 6 root 3. That will be the answer. You can check that this question is presented at CY book. Thank you.